I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing access. Get an API key, check rate limits, and set a clear scope for your project. Once done, pick a model that fits latency and cost needs, and install the SDK or prepare curl calls so you can iterate fast. Now run a minimal prompt to validate connectivity and a one-token stream to confirm streaming works. Make sure to save headers and example responses. This prevents wasted time later and gives you a reproducible starting point. You now build the core pipeline. Design clear prompt templates and include few-shot examples to guide behavior, then tune temperature and max tokens for predictable output. Once templates are locked, implement input preprocessing, batching, and structured parsing so responses map to your data model. Connect safety filters and content checks early, and add rate limit handlers with exponential backoff. Make sure to log both prompts and responses for debugging, and to measure performance, you finish by deploying with a staged rollout and instrumenting telemetry for latency, cost, and error rates. Once traffic flows, collect user feedback and refine prompts or switch models based on real usage. When things go wrong, troubleshoot systematically. Reproduce the issue, check logs, then try decreasing temperature, adding explicit constraints, or expanding the context window. If errors persist, add validation layers and graceful fallbacks so users get consistent responses while you patch the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.